Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Design Mention. So today we are going to discuss about the trace of feature toolbar. So in that feature toolbar, first feature is fillet. So in fillet there are five types of fillet. So first is a edge fillet, second one variable radius fillets, third one chordal fillet, fourth one face-to-face fillet, and fifth one Tritangent fillet. So we'll discuss this fillet types of fillet in details one by one. So before we that, if you haven't still the subscribe my channel, so do subscribe. So and press the bell icon to get the latest updates for the videos. So let's begin. First types is the simple fillet. So this one edge fillet. So I apply on this face simply. So you can see the fillet is applied. You can edit the dimension as per our requirement. So this is the dimension. Okay, so this is the profile I draw. Simply I have shown you, this is the profile. After that I applied for this pocket. Okay, and after that I applied these fillets. You can see this red one, horizontal fillets, and after that I applied this fillet. Okay, so this is the simple fillet. After that I have double click on that fillet. So here you can mention the radius. Second one is object to fillet. So here we select this fillet edges and selection mode. This is a tangency. There are the four types. First one is a tangency, minimal intersection with feature. So we'll discuss this one by one in the upcoming lectures. So for now we discuss the tangent feature, and here you can see the options. Here the conics parameter. So this is the conic parameters in which its range is 0.1 to 0.9. So if you applied this one, so it will fail. You can see that the lower the value is 1 out of range, so the value is lower than 1. Okay, so for now it will hide. Okay, click on the more options. So here the first is the edge to keep. Second one is we see limiting element. Okay, so for now the limiting element, for the limiting element we need the plane. So I will take this plane from the axis at 150 distance. So double click on this edge fillet, more option, limiting element. So I click on this plane and see the preview. So the radius is applied on left side only. Okay, so you can change the direction from here also. Okay, so this is the limiting element. So next one is next feature is blend corner. Okay, so for example blend corner, for that I applied the fillets. Here you have to click define in work object. So I have applied the fillet, more option, and here you have to click right click, and here you see in the two different commands options, create by edges and create by vertex. So we'll select the create by vertex, and I have select this vertex. Okay, so here you see XYZ direction. Here the radius is 10 mm, 10 mm, 10 mm. So for example, I have applied the 5 mm radius. Okay, so here the setback distance means from center to this radius. Okay, so I did this. So you can change this dimension. For example, I have taken it 15. Here I take it 8, and this is 10. Okay, preview. Okay, you can see the difference. This is the 10, this is the 8, and this is the 15. Okay, so this is the setback distance. You can change from here also, or here also manually. Okay, after that, our next command is variable radius. So in the variable radius, I select the variable radius, delete this. This is the simple radius. In the variable radius, I have applied take the edges. Here you see the two different points, vertex points. Here the R1, so I will change this to 20, and this one is 10. So you can see the difference. This is the variable radius. Here you see the same selection mode. This is the tangency and minimum. We use the tangency, and this is the variation in which you can see cubical form. So this is the cubical, and if you select the linear, so you see the difference. Linear means this is the linear. Okay, and this all option is similar as we discussed in the simple radius, so you can try this. That's it in the variable radius fillet. So next one is our chordal fillet definition. So in that chordal fillet is similar like that, this one variable radius fillets. So I select this. You can see the two different radiuses. Here I modify this 10 mm, and here the 15 mm. Okay, so you can see the difference. This is the cubical, this is the cubical form, and this is the linear form. Okay, not more difference. Here the limiting element, you select this limit. You can select the axis also for the limits. So you can see this is the limiting. Okay, you can change the direction. There is not much difference in the variable radius fillet and the chordal radius fillet. Okay, so next is a face-to-face fillet. So in the face-to-face fillet, this is our input. we need the two pads and each having the on the top needs the radius, applied radius, and after that I use the face to face command, fillet command. Select this face, sorry, you have to define in this work object. So I select the first fillet, this is the face 1 and first 2, and here I will apply the 20 mm fillet. You can see this is the fillet applied. So one thing keep in mind here, if you want to apply the fillet on the surface, so this command will fail. So see, I shown you, define in work object, I select this face 1, face 2, here I will change this dimension, so you can see this is the fail. So for active this command, so you have to apply on top of this object and select this one and change the diameter. So that's it in the face to face fillet. And next is the chordal fillet, tritangent fillet. Okay, so in the tritangent fillet I will show you. So select the tritangent fillet. So I will select this face, second one is this face, and third is this face. So you can see how the fillet is applied. This face with respect to above face. This is the tritangent face, means this first tangent, second tangent, and third tangent. Okay. So for example, I applied on fillet on the top edge. Okay, and select this tritangent, first, second, and this is the face to remove. Okay, so it will not active. For example, I select this face, so still it is not active. So you need to plain face for that. Okay, first, second, and third. Okay, this is having the limit option also. You can see the difference. Each fillet having the limit option. So limit may be plain, point, or maybe sketch also. So that's it in the fillets. So if you have any doubt in this fillet command, so do comments. I will definitely get back to you. So thank you guys, thanks for watching. Do subscribe my channel, like and share. Thank you guys.